All right, picture this. In this corner, I've got a $50 hacking tool that looks like an innocent USB drive. It's the legendary USB Rubber Ducky. And in the other corner, protecting this laptop, is a multi-billion-dollar AI defense system, Windows Defender, fully updated for 2026. The question is actually pretty simple. If I plug this in right now, will it hijack the computer, or will Microsoft shut it down? See, here's the thing. The Ducky isn't a virus. The computer thinks it's a keyboard. And computers, they blindly trust keyboards. So in theory, this little guy can type 1,000 words per minute and tell the computer to do basically anything I want. Let's see who wins. Okay, test number 1. I've loaded up a classic script. I'm plugging it in now. It's going to try to open a terminal, type a command to disable real-time monitoring, and then download a payload. And yeah, it's dead. Look at that notification. Defender didn't even blink. Why? Because of something called AMSI, the Anti-Malware Scan Interface. Even though the USB typed the commands, Defender analyzed the behavior of the script in memory before it actually ran. It saw disable real-time monitoring and said, absolutely not. So round 1 goes to Microsoft. The days of just asking Windows to turn off its own shields are definitely over. Okay, brute force failed. Let's try to be a little smarter. I'm updating the payload. This time, we aren't touching the antivirus. Instead, we're going to use obfuscation. I'm going to tell the Ducky to open a harmless notepad window to distract the user and quietly run a background script that lives off the land, basically using built-in Windows tools that aren't malicious by themselves. All right, plugging it back in. Okay, there's the run box. There goes the notepad window saying installing drivers. That's the distraction. And boom, we got Calc. See that? The calculator popped up. That is the universal symbol that code execution worked. And notice, Defender stayed completely silent. Why? Because I didn't try to break the system. I just used the keyboard to open a standard calculator app. Now, sure, if that calculator was a piece of ransomware, Defender probably would have caught it when it tried to encrypt files. But the initial breach, the door is wide open. So who actually wins here? If you use old, copy-pasted scripts from the internet, Windows Defender crushes this thing. It's just too smart now. But if you write custom code that mimics human behavior and avoids obviously malicious commands, the computer still trusts the keyboard. The winner isn't the tool, it's the person writing the script. I've uploaded the safe code for that bypass on my GitHub if you want to test your own security. Link is down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see me try this against a Mac next.